I get Tracy. Now you go on the pork. That's the pork. Tracy, you go on the pork. The pork one then a jerk pork. Tracy, what am I going? Chicken. Alright, I pork. Pork one there. Official thing. And this next chicken one over here, so. Try this. Yeah, thing, man. Jerk chicken. Fried fish. Fried plantain. Festival. Yeah. Food. Food. I get it.
Repeat what you said not too long.
Really food. Food I cut this morning. Come here. Festival and private pork. Closer, get it right. Jerk chicken. Festival. Private pork.